all knifed up too, so you know.
So we're having so much fun today. Jesse and I came down to Battle Horse Knives, and who happened to walk in the door seconds after us but our good friend Eric, Mr. Prepenstein. And we told him, you just got to tell us a little bit about this knife and probably get the Battle Horse folks here to say something too. So Eric.
So this was the knife from the build on Saturday at Sugar Creek. My daughter and I designed and came up with this one. Stopped down here to get a sheath, and just so happened found one that works out pretty well.
And this sheath, we were teasing Ashley because she went back and got it, and we said, "Man, you made a sheath in like 2 seconds.
Really quick, like
you rocking."
high
She
quality.
Said, That's it. She said, "I really do." So
yes. Yep. Yeah. So that's just our basic leather hip sheath number 9. It's pretty basic, but
it's great work. You got double stitching and reinforcement with rivets, so you got a welt in there. It looks like that. I mean, that's just a nice sheath. So we got Adam.
We have probably 19, 20 different models we normally have in stock. You do have a knife that you need a sheath for. We can custom make it. Ashley does almost all of our custom leather work. Her mom Judy does most of the production stuff, and then
99%.
So, I love that you guys are very well respected, knife making group, family business, and yet at the same time willing to help someone come in and get a sheath. So if I were needing a sheath, I could come in here and
sure thing. And I mean, we make sheaths for other production knife makers. So
awesome.
There's guys that are full production that'll actually call us to have sheaths made for them. So a lot of people go to places like JRE or things like that. We can do the same thing for you here.
Jesse, write that down, buddy.
Leather, Kydex, combos, all that stuff, right?
Yeah,
there's tensioner straps,
Kydex and leather.
Eric also,
that one's been around a little while.
And Eric also does. You do some of the paracord.
Paracord. I do a bunch of the paracord stuff.
You better commercial yourself.
Down here, Battle Horse Knives, Cambridge, Ohio.
Whee! In the beautiful town of Cambridge, Ohio, and we got like monkey fists and big old
whips,
honking
survival gear, all
this
that
and
stuff.
that, and just Prepenstein's the man. One of the coolest logos around. So all my knife making friends who are looking for good sheaths and stuff, BHK baby. So yeah,
It's arm wrestling.
Arm wrestle.